Welcome to the Heating and Air program. My name is George Combs. I'm the Heating and Air instructor here at Springfield-Clark CTC. At this moment, there's quite a few opportunities in the HVAC field. Through this training, you'll get the opportunity to get involved with that. This year at CTC is going to be a little different year in that we're going to do a lot online, and that the top training is still going to be successful in developing the certifications that you'll need for this trade. Attendance is very important in this trade. So therefore, it'll be very important to you here at school. Attendance will be taken every day, whether you're online or you're in the classroom. Also, there will be a daily wellness chart that you'll have to fill out to be sent in. Uniforms should be worn every day if you're having trouble with uniforms. Mac Ray, I have to give you the phone number, 937-325-1726. Again, 937-325-1726. That's Mac Ray. Work shoes will be required here in the lab. Also safety glasses, which will be provided. Face mask or face shields covering will be provided. That is going to be a requirement. Also, the 6-foot distancing will also be required. You will enter the building through B and C of a morning. Come to your classroom. Lunch and dinner will be served in your classroom. You need to go online and fill out all the proper forms for lunch and your emergency medical form, also for your computer. You need to get the Chromebook the first day, so you need to get these forms filled out immediately. Online forms must be done by August 21st. Also, you need to pay your fees online. If you pay cash, there'll be no change. So make sure that you pay everything online. This next Thursday and Friday will be your classes. And if you need water, then make sure you bring clear drinking water. If you have any questions, please call me at 937-325-7368, extension 141. Again, my name is George Combs, your heating and air instructor. Make sure it is recommended that you watch the Restart, Reset videos here at SpringfieldClarkCTC.org. That'll give you an opportunity. Go to the Facebook, go to our website, give you an opportunity to see what you need to fill out as far as forms. Make sure your forms are done again and turned in. Hope to see you and have a very successful year this year. Give you an opportunity to get into the HVAC career. Thank you. Have a good day.